Good morning guys, in front of me is Motorola Razr 40 Ultra, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. First, open your phone dialer, then go to keypad, and this is the place where we can enter secret codes. So let's start with the first one, which is Asterix pound 4636 pound Asterix. And here we've got the tester mode, in which you can check LTE debugger information, phone information, user statistics, Wi-Fi details, and also NFC settings. So if you tap, for example, of debugger information, you can smoothly see all the details like status, state, configuration, and so on. And as you can see, it is refreshed every 5 seconds, so it's quite current info. Then if you open phone details, you will be able to check current network, signal strength, data service, and so on. A bit lower you can also run a ping test, so just tap on run ping test, and below you've got the results. Let me go back. Then we've got user statistics. So if you want to check time spent on your apps, and also the last time that some app have been in use, smoothly open it here, and as you can see here we've got two categories. So it's last time used and then usage time for every app that you own. Then under Wi-Fi details, you will be able to check Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. And this last one, you will be able to run a ping test also. And then we've got NFC settings, so smoothly open it, and here you can manage NFC settings. So that's it, that will be all for the first code. Another one that you can use here is Asterix pound 225 pound Asterix. And here we've got calendar info, so if you have any events applied to your calendar, like to this device's internal storage calendar, Google Calendar, iOS Calendar, and so on, like anything connected with this device, it will be all displayed right here. So from now on you will not forget about any upcoming event. Another code that you can use is Asterix pound 426 pound Asterix. And here you've got the FCM diagnostic mode, in which you can check status and events. And once you want to enroll advanced view, once you want to get some more details, tap on more icon and select advanced view. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.